You're watching how Leap lets hide or remove reposts from your Instagram feed. Instagram does not have a direct remove repost button, but you can control what you see. To hide a repost from a specific account, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the reposted post, select Not Interested. This tells Instagram to show you less content like that. To stop seeing reposts from a particular user, you can mute them. Go to their profile, tap Following, and select Mute. Choose to mute their posts and stories. Their reposts will no longer appear in your feed. To remove a repost from your own profile, go to your profile, find the repost, tap the three dots, and select Delete. If it is a reel or archive, if it is a post, you cannot delete a repost from someone else's feed. You can only hide it from your own view. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.